Good morning, friends. Beautiful good morning. Today I like to start with a very spiritual hidden word. It's called. It's from the Baha'i faith. It's a very different kind of, you can say, religion. And I follow it. So it said in the first thing, "O son of being, my first counsel is this: possess a pure, kindly, and radiant heart, that thine may be a sovereignty ancient, imperishable, and everlasting." What is it? My first counsel is this: possess a pure, kindly, and radiant heart, that thine may be a sovereignty ancient, imperishable, everlasting. Everlasting, imperishable. If you possess a pure, kindly, and radiant heart, then you will be everlasting. Nothing can destroy your spirit in this year. And that is the process you will keep on going now, that spirit. In our business also, we are creating such kind of society where asks through our system to have a pure, kindly, radiant heart, love, unity. See this, even the religion sayings this in a holy book, that the word of God, words of God, it says that you pure, kindly. Then ultimate to be happy and peace, you need to have a unity, love, and all these things. It's very important. So keep in mind all the time the track. We have got the system, but that your system, you must follow one system, which is from the holy book, is that what I suggest you to follow, that principles. Possess a pure, kindly, and radiant heart, that thine may be a sovereignty ancient, imperishable, and everlasting. In our business, the same principle. You will never be in a distress. You will never be in a something. No, you will be in a protection, and from the Almighty, in the protected. That's I follow, right? So it is similar principles that we have found in our MOA business teachings, in all books. And we are all same in this world, no? After all, we are human beings. So friends, few things, as I said yesterday in our meeting, 3 simple rules I would like to, simple rules in life. Number 1, if you do not go after what you want, you will never have it. What after you are actually? Just ask yourself in the, you need peace, happiness, love all the time. That is the ultimate, no? Isko andar se aana chahiye. And you will find all the thing available to support you. If your attitude, it's your thought process, no? Not aptitude. Not aptitude. It's your attitude that will determine your altitude. Kya chahte ho? Means if you have a purpose of helping people, we can help, spreading good thing, keep on working on unity, love, and आप अगर छोड़ देंगे वो सब चीज से, जहाँ प्लीज मैं बोलता हूँ jealousy, hatred को छोड़ना है. That is the greatest struggle and the hard work we need to keep on all the time doing it. That is number 1. This again, if you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. नहीं जाएंगे. What you are chasing, what you are asking is very. Number 2, if you do not ask, the answer will always no. And if you are not asking anything, who is there to give you what you are attracting? Follow these things. You will find all this. Investigation, you read books, listen to whatever you're doing, but from your heart, You need to allow the whole kingdom is within there. Number 3, if you do not stop forward, if you do not step forward, you will always be in the same place. Step forward means action. You take action. You must know what you want. You must know what you want. Go after it. Take action. This is the same principles of life. It's applied in anywhere. Unity, you know. Then again in the Holy Book it says, O son of being, breed not the sins of others, so long thou thyself a sinner. Should thou transgress this command, accursed shouldst thou be, and to this I bear witness. Have no, you know, don't backbite, don't have any give. It said, if you are just complaining, if you are just doing hatred, spreading negative thing, no, God will never forgive you. We are not allowed to judge anybody. Yes, it's in the Holy Book. And forgive. Why you will forgive? Because for your cleanliness, for your purity, you have to forgive, not for other. Hatred cannot remain here. That is the thing. Even God said in a Holy Book, if you cannot forgive the person who did the wrong thing, maybe hurting you, whatever it is, you have to forgive every day. When you get up early in the morning, fresh mind. If you cannot forgive that persons who did harm to you, how can you ask forgiveness from me? God says that you have did lot. तुम तो मेरा बात सुना नहीं ना. You have done lots of things. Commandments, जो what I have given to you, you are not following. Always you betrayed me. Then how can you ask forgiveness? These 3 things also very important. Forgive. When you get up this day in the morning, it's a new day. Yesterday gone. It's a new fresh. You are a baby today. A baby don't have all these things now. When they get birth, जब जन्म लेते हैं, burn होता है, they आते हैं his beautiful world, they're fresh. And that is in our hands to be in the fresh. And I am following it, I am trying it, and I am practicing it. It's things that I can carry. We are in the journey. हम लोग जब जाएंगे from this world, only these things you can carry. Everybody, you think that is the greatest philosophy or that is rules. If you are seeker, you can find it. God is always guiding you, telling you from your heart. Listen to your heart intuition. Always keep in mind, it's your attitude, it's your intention, it's your all the good thing. That will determine your altitude, not aptitude. क्या चाहिए? Don't be hungry. Don't be selfish. You work on that part. Maybe आज कुछ मिल रहा है आपको. Don't let allow this ego. Ego is the dangerous thing. You are harming yourself and you are spreading this most. You are influencing your family fast. Maybe your spouse and children. Then you are going to be home, you will spread that virus to your nearest one. Maybe whoever, जो आपको विश्वास करते हैं, जो आपका ऊपर भरोसा है, you may be thinking that lots of people are following you, but what is there with you to give be an example. क्या देने के लिए है आपका पास में? So you be careful what you are doing. You are in the glass house. We are all in the glass house. If we want to do, we need to be good exemplar and total from your heart. You don't need to care that who is loving, not loving. That is not. But the only thing you need to do, what you need to do in this world. And that is your life. Your life, take responsibility. Do it, friends. I am coming again with you. And this is the thing. Repeatedly, I will keep on telling you. You may listen it, you may don't listen. But I need to listen. And I need to spread. This way, I am just asking God to help me out. And जो भी मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं pray करके लेता हूँ, भगवान, help me out to speak. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ, be impeccable with your word. Speak with integrity. Say only what you mean. Avoid using the word to speak against yourselves and gossip about others. Use the power of your word in the directions of truth and love. World is beautiful. जो भी है ये आपको, and God, if God is protecting you, if you think that I am on behalf of I am working, nobody can harm you. You are in the safe hand. Not only you, all your loved one will be in the safe hand. Thank you very much, friends. See you again.